So let's see today's set. This is a good cat level set. Ideal time should be 10-11 minutes. Five students, Abhinav, Akhil, Aman, Anand and Anurag, were ranked from 1 to 5 in 5 different subjects among English, Hindi, Maths. Okay. A numerically lower rank is considered a better rank. Okay, so this thing is important. Lower rank is considered a better rank. No two of the five students received the same rank in any subject, and no student got the same rank in any two subjects. Okay, so this is a typical Sudoku type of question. It is also known that Anand received third rank in Hindi. Okay, so information is given. So if we have to talk about whether we should select this particular set in exam or not, so the information given is very straightforward. Then the first question says, which rank did Amin receive in Hindi? Okay, and cannot be determined is there. Second question is, which of the following subjects did Akhil receive a better rank? Okay, so it means I can find the rank uniquely in this case. Then who among the five students received the first rank in English? Again, I can find uniquely. Which of the following statement is true? Okay, so all of the four questions can be answered once I form the table. So let's look at how to do this set. So first I hope you try this set by yourself and then we will see the solution. Okay, so first let me make the table. This is Abhinav. This is Abhinav. This is Akhil. Akhil, this is Aman. This is Anand. And this is Anurag. Okay, this is Anurag. Then this is English, Hindi, Maths, Science, and Social. This is Social. Okay. So it is given to us Anand received third rank in Hindi. Okay, so Anand received third rank in Hindi. This is Aman, this is Anand. Anand received third rank in Hindi. This is 3. Okay, and one more direct information is given that Akhil received fourth rank in Science. Akhil received fourth rank in Science. Okay, one more thing is given that one can't come over here and one can't come over here. Okay, and 2 must be either here or here. So we don't know as of now where 2 will come, either here or here. And Anurag getting the rank in English, that is X, and that is same with Abhinav getting the rank in Maths. So the value of X can be 2, but we don't know as of now. Okay, so the first condition says that Anand is better than Akhil in social and maths. Okay, so Anand is better than Akhil in social and maths. Okay, then also one more condition says Akhil is better than Abhinav in maths. So can I write this as this? Anand is better than Akhil and Akhil is better than Abhinav in maths. Okay. One more thing, Anand is better than Akhil in social as well. Okay, so we can say that Akhil is better than Anand in the remaining 3 subjects, that is in English, in Hindi and in science. So if we look at science, Akhil already got 4 rank in science and Akhil is better than Anand. So Anand must be 5. Anand must be 5 in science. Only then we can say Akhil is better than Anand in science. And similarly, if we look at Hindi, Anand already got 3 in Hindi, so Akhil is better. So Akhil must get either 1 or 2 because Akhil is better in Hindi. And in the maths and social, Anand is better than Akhil. One more thing, if we look at this condition, there are 2 people who are better than Abhinav in maths. Okay, so Abhinav can't get 2 in maths. Okay, so if Abhinav can't get 2 in maths, so the Abhinav will get 2 in social. Okay, so Abhinav will get 2 in social. What I said is Abhinav can't get 2 in maths because already there are 2 people who are better than Abhinav in maths. Okay, so Abhinav can't get 2 in maths. Okay, so now if we look at social, the condition given is Anand and Anu both are better than Akhil in social. So I am writing over here Anand and Anu. Anurag. This is Anurag. Better than Akhil. This is Akhil in social. Okay, so there are two people who are better than Akhil in social. So let's see the possibilities Akhil can get in the social. Okay, so can Akhil get one? No. Can Akhil get two? No, because there are at least two people who are better than Akhil in social. Okay, can Akhil get three? If Akhil get three, then Anand and Anu must be better than Akhil. So Anand and Anu must get one or two in any order, which is not the case because 2 is already taken by Abhinav in social. So 2 can't come in this column, right? So Akhil can't get 3. Can Akhil get 4 over here? No, because Akhil already got 4 in science. And it was given in the question that the person will get only the same rank in one of the subjects. Okay, means it's a Sudoku type of question. So 4 can't come in this row. So the only possibility with Akhil is 5 over here. Okay, Akhil can't get 3 over here because if that was the case, then Anand and Anu must have got 1 or 2 over here. So 2 can't come here because 2 is already over here. Okay, so Akhil got 5 over here. So now if we look at the condition of maths, because this condition is for maths, what rank Akhil can get over here? Okay, so can Akhil get 5? No, because Akhil 5 is already there. Can take 4? No, 4 is already there. Okay, so Akhil can get 2 or 3. Okay, I am writing 2 or 3. Okay, so if we look at this row, 1 can't come here, 1 can't come here, and also 1 can't come here because there are already 2 people, at least 2 people who are better than Abhinav. So the only place for 1 is this. Okay, 1 will come over here. If we look at this position, then here 1 can't come, 2 can't come, 3 can come, 4 and 5 can't come. Okay, so the only number that over here can come is 3. Okay, so the only number is 3. Okay, so if we look at these conditions, Anand is better than Akhil only in maths and social. Okay, so it means in other 3 subjects Akhil is better than Anand. Okay, so if we see what rank Akhil can score in English, if Akhil scores 2, okay, then if Akhil scores 2, then Anand can't score 3, can score 4, can't score 5. So the possible value will be 4. Okay, if Akhil scores 3, then again the possible value will be 4 because 3 and 5 are already taken. So the only possible value for Anand over here is 4. Okay, now in these two positions 1 and 2 are remaining. 2 can't come over here because 2 is already up there. So 1 will come here, 2 will come here. Okay, 2 is here, 1 is here. Okay, now if we look at this place, 1, 2, 3 is already done in this row. So either 4 or 5 will come here. So if 4 comes over here, then 4 will come over here. But that is not possible because 4 is already taken by Anand in English. So the only possible value for x is 5. Here it will come 5 and again here it will come 5. If there is 5, the only possible value for here is 4. Okay. Okay, if Anand is getting 2 over here, in this column, Anand is getting 2 over here, it means Akhil will get 3 over here. Okay, Akhil will get 3 over here. And now if we look at over here, 1 and 2, 1 can't come over here. So it means 2 will come over here and 1 will come over here. Okay. So the only possible value over here is 3. Now if we look at this condition, Anurag is better than Akhil in social. Okay, so Anurag is better than Akhil. So either here it will come 3 or 4. Okay, so 3 or 4 will come over here and 3 or 4 will come over here. But 3 can't come over here because 3 is already present in this row. So the only possible value for here is 3. Okay, and here it will come 4. Because Anurag is better than Akhil in social, either 3 or 4 will come over here or 3 or 4 here, but 3 is not possible in this position because of this. So 4 will come over here and 3 will come over here. Okay. Similarly, if we look at this maths column, 2, 3, 5 is already done, 1 and 4 is remaining. 4 can't come over here, So 4 will come here, 1 will come here. Okay. If we look at this column, then 2 and 5 are remaining. Okay, 2 and 5 are remaining, but 5 can't come here because 5 is here. So 2 will come here, 5 will come here, and 2 will come here, 1 will come here. Okay, this is 1. And okay, so we have completed the table. Now let's look at the questions. Okay, so the first question is, which rank did Aman receive in Hindi? So Aman in Hindi is 5th. So answer is C option. Then the next question says, which of the following subjects did Akhil receive a better rank than Aman? Akhil received a better rank than Aman. Akhil received a better than rank than Aman in English. So answer will be A option. Answer will be first option. Let's look at the next question. Who among the 5 students received the first rank in English? First rank in English is received by Abhinav, which is B option. Now the next question says, which of the following statement is true? Abhinav received a better rank than Aman in maths. Abhinav received a better rank than Aman in maths. Definitely not. Anand received the same rank in science. Anand received same rank in science as Anurag in social. As Anurag in social, no. Aman received a better rank in English. Aman received a better rank in English than Anurag in Hindi. Then Anurag in Hindi, no. Okay. Akhil received a better rank in English. Better rank in English than Anurag in maths. Then Anurag in maths. Yes, 2 is better than 4. So answer is D option. Okay, so answer is C, A, B, D. So I hope you like this set. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, whenever I upload a video rather, so you will get a notification. I hope you like this set. See you guys in the next one.